Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel's PERCENTOF function. The PERCENTOF function is part of Excel's latest updates, and it's designed to make calculating percentages much simpler. It's perfect for situations like finding out what portion of your sales are returns or what percentage of a total budget is spent on a specific category. The function uses this simple syntax equals PERCENTOF, data subset. This is the part of the data you're analyzing, for example, the returns for a product. Data all. This is the whole data set you're comparing against, like the total sales. Let's say you're tracking returns for a product. To calculate the percentage of returns, use this formula equals PERCENTOF, then select returns first, and then total sales. After calculating, the result might show as a simple whole number, like 1%, to see more precise data. Select the cell with the percentage result. Go to the Home tab and find the number section. Click on the Increase Decimal button. Click and drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to other rows. And that's it! You've learned how to use the PERCENTOF function. This will make your data analysis quicker and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.